All right, today I'm working on a 1973 MGB. This is a car that I did a full restoration on with some mild customization back in 2012. It has a supercharger on it. And today what we got to do is replace the belt. So let's get going. So the new belt's on now. It's a pretty quick, simple job. I was going to try to film it, but you cannot see in there how to adjust the tensioner with the camera. One other thing we're going to do today is change out the lights and the gauges for LED bulbs. Because as anyone familiar with these cars knows, the gauges aren't all that easy to see at night. And here's the difference between one gauge on the left with an LED bulb in it and then the one on the right with a standard bulb. So here's the old school standard incandescent bulb. And here's the new LED bulb I'm replacing them with. I got these from Moss Motors. I think they're about $5 a piece.